this Father's Day. You're taking a live look over Southfield this morning. Hallie is tracking your Father's Day forecast and tells us how the work week is shaping up. Good morning, Hallie.
Good morning, Jen. We are noticing a few showers already out there this morning, more developing for the afternoon. This afternoon will likely bring at least a few thunderstorms, and some heavier downpours with any of those thunderstorms would be the main threat. Really not looking at the potential for severe weather, but again, slow moving storms could bring down some very heavy downpours. We do have the warm temperatures today. We have the higher humidity. You're going to notice that a little bit different from yesterday. It is going to be warm. It's going to be muggy over the next couple of days until we see this pattern break by midweek, but we are in need for some rain, and it looks like we're certainly going to see some. So here we go. As we look at our forecast right now and the radar and satellite composite, you can see just a few showers just beginning to weaken as they're moving into western Washtenaw County, an isolated shower trying to move into Lenawee County, and that's it for us, just one or two across the area at this point. 68 degrees in Pontiac, 69 in Howell. It is 71 degrees downtown. Mount Clemens, you're coming in at 70 as well. Temperatures cooler behind the slow moving front. And boy, this is going to take its time to move through. So out ahead of it, where we are today, it is going to be scattered shower activity and warmer temperatures, and it has a ways to travel. And then once it does move through, it actually remains pretty stationary over the region over the next several days, bringing those rounds of showers we've been talking about for some unsettled weather over the next several days. Temperatures this morning, we're starting warm in the 70s. By noon, we're already at 80 degrees. Into the 80s for highs. Anytime we get a thunderstorm or a heavier downpour, of course, our temperatures are going to cool off a bit, but then should rebound. Mid 80s for highs today. About 87 in the city. You're going to find some cooler locations as well, but higher humidity. So dew points in the mid 60s to us means, yeah, it's a little uncomfortable out there, more so than yesterday. We're feeling that tomorrow, a little bit on Tuesday, not too bad, and then it really starts to drop off by midweek once that system does start to move out. Our hour-by-hour forecast shows this line of showers and storms beginning to develop as we go through the afternoon, anytime really after 11 or 12 o'clock, even more so as we go into the afternoon. We get a little more heat of the day, and that front is a little bit closer. But you can see the reds, the oranges, those do represent some heavier downpours and a few thunderstorms as well. Should be ending around 8 or 9 o'clock, and then redeveloping showers. As I mentioned, the system is slow to move out, so we're going to see scattered activity for your Monday and going into Tuesday as well. Temperatures today, 87 for high, a southwest wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour, and our temperatures tonight will drop down to 67 degrees with a light wind. 87 for Monday, and then low 80s on Tuesday. Monday, scattered showers. Tuesday, a little better chance for showers and storms, and then slight chances for the rest of the week as temperatures cool off a bit, but we're back into the low to mid 80s by Friday.